Click on the link below to get price. The Astell&Kern KANN ultra-portable high-resolution audio player in Astro Gray is a remarkable addition to the world of high-fidelity audio playback. Right from the unboxing experience, it's clear that Astell&Kern prioritizes premium aesthetics and build quality. The player features a sleek aluminum chassis that not only feels durable but also exudes sophistication, making it visually appealing to audiophiles and casual listeners alike. One of the standout features of the KANN is its ability to support a wide range of audio formats, including PCM up to 32-bit/384 kHz and DSD up to DSD-256. This ensures that no matter the source, listeners will experience every nuance of the music as intended by the artists. The playback quality is nothing short of exceptional, offering clarity and depth that bring life to a variety of genres. The player's balanced output provides an immersive listening experience, and the wide soundstage allows instruments and vocals to be distinctly placed. Navigating the user interface is intuitive, thanks to the responsive touchscreen. The menu layout is straightforward, and accessing your music library is a breeze. Additionally, the KANN boasts a generous internal storage capacity, with options for expansion via microSD cards, ensuring you can store your entire music collection without compromise. Battery life is another highlight. The KANN can effortlessly last for up to 14 hours on a single charge, allowing for extended listening sessions without the need for frequent recharges. The inclusion of Bluetooth connectivity is a welcome feature, enabling wireless streaming to headphones and speakers, making it versatile for both home and on-the-go use. However, the price point of the KANN may be a consideration for some. While it is an investment, the audio quality and premium features justify the cost for serious music lovers. Overall, the Astell&Kern KANN Ultra is an outstanding portable audio player that delivers an unparalleled listening experience, making it a worthy contender in the high-end audio market.